Hello and welcome to this 30k pack opening. I'd like to thank my sponsors of Costco and McCoskin for the opportunity to do this pack opening, so check them out in the description below and let's get on with the video. 30k pack opening here, 7.5k packs. First one. Give it. Oh, Arsenal the Bitchy, not too bad. Still having the club. Centre forward to Cam goes for a wee bit. Everything else, not much of use. Second pack, hopefully, maybe a wee bit better. Rare player, would be nice. Nice 84 rated player. We'll do a wee discard pack here, sure. Alright, no problem. Nothing much to know. That's maybe rare fun. Don't know why. If that's wrong button out, have to go discard it. Alright. I'll say my pack luck isn't the best, but might get a few surprises. Let's get this. Oh, it's 2 rare players, not too bad. They'll go for much loot. It's a nice cat right now. Should have maybe opened 20k packs, but 7.5k pack again. All on front, skip. And 33 pace. Still a bit faster than EA servers. Oops, score fitness. Nice to have one of those. And on to the last pack, and we will watch the animation. Got in. And bagger. Alright, pretty poor effort, but can't get good packs all the time, so this is the end of the video. I don't know what that was. Well, thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.